So students, welcome back. Now message writing. So message writing, what is a definition of message writing? In simple words, a message is a brief, informal note used to convey information to someone who was not present to receive it at the time. When a person wants to important information, pass the important information or instructions, request or to other person when he was not there. So in this it is very concise and no unnecessary details should be there. So that's why it is point. Remember that. Remember points and write message in uppercase at the top. Clearly state date and time in format. Date and time. Mention the date and time. Now receiver's name. You must add the receiver's name. After that, body of the message, which will clear define in writing what is the body of the message, and last sender's name. So you have to write all these things, and the word limit is not for 50 words, and only essential details will be included, not irrelevant details. When you add the irrelevant details, is not the spirit of the message writing. So next comes to the text and instant message. Nowadays, text and instant messages are very popular because all we are on the social media and on the text messages like WhatsApp, Instagram, and various platforms are there. Now what is the issue in that? As a teacher, what is the issue? Now we sometimes write the short acronym language for between BW, so that hampers the teaching learning. Why? Because when you have to the practicing of writing the acronyms, and when it comes to the writing part, so you have the habit of that. So it is a very serious issue. So text messages are instant. So nowadays people are habitual to that and convey some information to a certain group of people by the WhatsApp group. So we are also through WhatsApp group and through online mode. We take the classes and you listen the thing, and all the learners like you, I have the on my channel, so they are also learn the things. So points to be remembered: the tone, a message very precise, 160 characters, 30 to 40 words. The tone should be very polite, gentle. Keep your message clear and understandable. It should be very clear. Use simple language, not a heavy one. कि हमने दिखाना कि हमें बहुत इंग्लिश आती है, तो simple language. You may end the message with your name if your number is not known the receiver. If your receiver number is not known, then you write your name so that he or she can understand by whom the message will come. For broadcast messages, add a suitable heading because it is a broadcast. The message should have all the necessary details. A broadcast message ends with the sender's name. So this is the way. Now regarding the acronym, there is a now debate issue in the international platform when all the learners and the scholars sit there. A short acronym language will be acceptable in the curriculum or not in the writing of the papers when we acceptable at the various levels. Still no, because some says that up the view if hamper your writing skills, and some of the agree view, but still it is a not acceptable because it hampers your writing. So thank you for the understanding.